Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be across the job over here, master.
This TV, if you see the things, them are subscribe to the YouTube channel, everything over them.
They talk, oh, them send them rent, oh, they are conspiracy.
No, Dan, you must understand, Dan. It's what she hears, she gonna speak.
No,
so
that's
no
what I'm
you
telling
come.
you. Don't talk
Oh,
what
okay.
you don't know. People that talk what they don't know is fucking lying.
No,
You gotta
hold on,
talk
Dan.
something
Hold on.
what you know.
Dan, the rent part is a different life. And married it says she give Tanya the money for where Tanya want money from her
Yeah.
LP one different man.
Yeah,
that's
married it
what
All
say
right,
that's the
hold
truth.
on,
Don't
hold
even
on,
talk
hold
about
on,
me.
hold on. Right,
All right, calm
listen.
down, Karen. Now,
Marie said that out her own mouth and alive. Said Tanya didn't
Marie,
want money.
join
She said
if
go
you
give the
them out,
man when
Marie.
did a
Join,
chopper.
join.
It's
All
chopper
right,
man.
hold on.
All right,
So
calm
don't
down.
tell me something I tell her. Me I tell you what Marie said.
Hold
All
on.
right, fair enough.
That's why I'm getting upset. Hold on, listen to this now, Post. We have no knowledge or understanding about the killing that was going on, right? All we know about this killing that was planned for you is when she and Fred them broke off and Fred them come out and ball and said, Post them a plan to kill you. When she said,
Yes,
Post
that's
them
what
a
me
plan
hear for true. But that
yes.
was a different killing. That was a different one from
Hold on there.
Tanya
Hold
Joan
on there,
first, you know.
Karen. Karen,
Hold on.
oh, you talk so blood clot strong, my girl. Shut up your
Calm down,
blood
Karlene.
clot. Shut up your pussy clot. I'm not my
Karlene,
blood
calm
clot
down.
friend talk.
Yeah,
What the
hold
Calm
blood
on.
down,
clot they
Karlene.
come and raise your voice about?
Karlene, calm
Pussy,
down,
you
Karlene.
know
No,
the
no,
one you
Karlene,
can't
calm
off
down.
yet, Karen.
Colin,
With the
don't
blood
talk
Karen,
clot
when
about
your
man.
that.
blood clot one
You
can't
want me
off
go to
yet,
this
where you
man?
there?
Come suck me, Karlene. Me not afraid of your
Karlene,
blood
stop it,
clot this
stop it.
morning. Me
Stop
not
it,
afraid
stop
of
it.
you this
All right.
morning. Come suck me, old Jesse blood
Why you
clot
want that
them.
woman
When
The
to
they
two
kick
of
suck
you
out
your
can't
the
stay
cock?
president,
fire with it.
hey, dirty woman. Me not afraid of you.
My girl. Oh, you
All right,
want woman to
Karlene.
suck you?
When
Calm
blood
down. Think
clot
like
Karlene
think
come to swallow me
intelligent.
this morning.
All right, Karlene gone off. I take off Karlene because I don't want the website.
All right, you do the right thing, Post. Post, listen.
Yeah.
Me and you reason, Post. You understand? Me and you
Yeah.
reason. Me don't want none of them say nothing because them don't understand this thing here. You understand?
Yeah.
How we know about killing was going on your head. You understand?
Mhm.
Not even Miss Beverly, not even Dirty Beverly, thinking old Beverly Tanya mother never want no killing. Listen, all we know about
Okay.
it is when Fred them come and ball out said, Post, let me tell you what I go on, them a plan for kill you. When she said that, Essence frightened, Paulette frightened. Two of them are British. You understand? Essence and Paulette are British. Marina reaching at it yet. Miss Paulette said, what the fuck going on? What the fuck? I'm not in no killing with nobody. You understand? Essence say, listen, I go and put this to my mother because this don't sound good. They call me. You understand? When them call me, them say, Dan, you know, here what? Fred them a ball out say, them did a plan for kill Post. Marie told me now that she and Miss Paulette and Tanya, they on the chat, a chat. When Fred them ball it out, Tanya run go call Suki. All the call them a call back Tanya. She don't come back. So Suki now get to fret them, you understand? And the girl now start ball and I say, Jesus Christ, fret them can't do that. Because if fret them do that, my husband will get in a trouble. Bear in mind, it's not Tanya who pay the money. Coming out have to tell lie, and none of them. Tanya a big time liar. And Tanya try to put all kind of things.
She try blame. Yeah.
Hold on, Post. Tanya never paid the money. You understand? Tanya was a conspiracy to fret them. Because why fret them take it up big on her head and pay the money now? Is because what Tanya I put in to fret them and I say, me want Puss and you go dead. Because you go a disgrace mommy and a Puss cause. Stop. Stick a pin right there this again. You understand? Suki part of it, where me know about is the conspiracy. What Suki did now was find out where you live with you go. She send the whole heap of police them down there. That's Suki part. You understand? And when the police them go there, you understand? They went there was to kill Hugo. To pay killing in Suki head. You hear me? I tell you, Suki don't talk one word and it's not kill Hugo or kill Puss. Cause she say you Puss said our two little babies them sucking them father big dick.
And not no go so.
Hold on. You understand? Puss me a gangster. Puss. Me a one blood clot woman afraid for the prison time. Anything my blood clot do, me can't stand for that blood clot. Enough of them girl you know blood clot gangster life. Them a bumper clot coward. And no girl can send me away for nothing when me not do. You understand, Post? Let me tell you. Truth, yes, sir. Let me tell you something. Tanya have the talk, but you know have the money. You hear me? I tell you, she have the talk, but you know have the money. Post. Tanya rent a car. Give out 3 boy. Marie, come on, pan this if you want, you know. And the 3
Marie,
boy,
come on.
them with the blood clot money for kill Post. You understand? And when she beg around, essence say, oh, me nah, get Tanya my money for mix up in them things there, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
They try very hard to get rid of Miss Parlet. Suki and Tanya try very hard to get rid of Miss Parlet. Because in my book, them said Miss Parlet is an informer. In my book, and Miss Parlet asked too much fucking question about what they are doing. You understand?
Okay.
Boom. Remember some media work every day. Me I work. You understand? My phone can't turn on at that time. When me come out of my work, what me I learn now is Tanya said to my friend, yo, you can't make your man get somebody for lip swipe or puts for me. You understand? That is when Karlene
God.
it. You understand? The man said to Karlene, say, I want him to that girl there. Them girl, they are not real girl, you know. You can't get somebody that try kill your bumbo clot, brother. Hey, run away, you know. Run away, Karlene. Run away. That the man said.
Your Karlene said that for true.
Boom! Tanya said, Karlene said to her husband, say, let me make you talk to her. She start put on one big ball in on the phone. You understand? I say, you got this, my mother, and I tell my mother.
Karlene, no argument, Karlene.
Don't say nothing. Listen, me I tell you. And I tell my mother, say, we suck him out. Karlene, but we not cussing.
No, Dan,
you like
listen
cuss
to me.
too much of that, me I tell you.
She did
Sometimes
not.
you for relax
She
and
did
make
not
things run
ask
by.
Booby them.
Yeah.
Listen to my man. Sometimes I think
The
she
Karlene
did
talk
not
about
have
that.
to kill Bumbo Clot, Hugo and Puss. She want them get broke up. She said, broke up Puss and Hugo and foot them.
All
and
right.
the man come off of the phone and say, I want to them sister, yeah, man. She know say, man, I try broke man foot and man, I go and we have to lick them down. And man, I put clap dead, they don't know what ever happen. So him said to me, say, what kind of friend that you have where I instigate man them for do our brother things. Him not like that girl there. You understand? But right now, them long time thing wanna come with. Wanna go to no bomb cloud push so much explanation, push the nose of the eat.
No, Karlene. I know what Karlene, I tell you.
I don't mean them want explanation. They don't want me no explanation. They want them conscience.
Explain ourselves so early.
Hold on, Karlene.
They don't want me no explanation. Everybody want clear it. Because they put it on one set of
Karlene,
people.
give me a minute and then you talk, Puss. 1 minute. Where the girl over there sit down and talk, say. And that Puss say. She no want hear nothing. You understand? Because the whole of them did a plan to kill her. She want put it on me and blood clot you, and that Puss say. You understand? So me don't know where you are talking.
But then again, Dan, Puss not done know.
Karlene, you are too hard, Karlene, man. Karlene, if you chill sometime, man.
You couldn't have no reason to kill her, Dan.
You can listen, Karlene. You can't just jump the gun, so the woman has said Dan and Karlene have no reason for blood clot kill her. Because a bag and cuss are going with we and you, we and she.
Them long time fuck with them, man.
Yeah, but Karlene,
what are we do and fuck up? Puss me not tell. Puss me not tell her reason. I say Puss.
I want right for your life.
Puss me want to get some blood clot. Puss me not tell that on phone. Mr. Puss, the way that go on to blood clot, you want some liquor underneath a blood clot. You not tell her that.
But everybody did that go on.
Everybody
might go on be a problem.
You and it all want buy ticket. Puss me buy your ticket for come my yard.
Puss.
All of that.
Hey, Puss, let me tell you something. You see me? Me a gangster, but let me tell you something. I'm really intelligent about this blood clot light. You understand? Let me tell you something, Puss. Nobody over
Karlene make Dan talk, no Karlene.
Nobody, listen. Nobody over here, Puss, wanted was to kill you. Puss, we want to rub you, scrub you, dub you. And you are rub with scrub with dub with back. The reason why Tanya want you was to dead and she not have no money. The big reason. You understand? Between she and Suki and Fred them is the
Glad
way
me never had them the chat
you
them.
go and bring down Beverly Hall and Fear Hall. Post.
But that's
We
what
never
Karen
know
did not
nothing
say.
about the killing. Listen, we not have nothing to do with the killing. The thing where we hear about the killing, I went Fred them ball it out to you. Tanya get busy. You understand? What's your name there? The ugly face woman get busy.
Them tell us can Tanya
And
jump
run go
off.
call the girl. Where they we set up the killing, cause cannot tell us say your head is to lick out downtown. Post everybody
Bombo
there will
clot, all
see
that me
that
never
kind of
know.
change. Karlene, relax,
Yeah.
never know nothing. I Brassy that end up a blood clot jail because Brassy take it as a joke. Brassy never know say a serious thing a go on. You know
Hold
when
on,
we know say a
I would
blood
shot
clot.
red.
So Brassy did aware of that too? Yeah, at that time the Brassy and Tanya was friends with you.
Who's that with shortbread queen?
Karlene does
Tanya
phone
them.
man and talk star. Now
Them
give a
people
fuck
not write
about
in my
them.
inbox about the argument. Just want to know who name, so come in and know who name shortbread.
One of
If she
what
deal
Tanya
with you,
friend
good, you
then.
deal with her good. If she come at you, you go back at her. You don't go on people where people just try to explain and understand the thing, Karlene. Because all that way you Karen go on with this man and not even
Yeah, it never makes sense.
You understand? You have to be gangster with intelligence, you know. You
They're
understand?
mad at gangster.
No, you
Some of
can't
them
be
just
mad at
enough
take
and
you
just
for
on the
nothing. Where
platform.
think the judge? Where think the judge make me walk with you?
Enough of Karen know a long time. Oh, enough of the things them go when Karen come
She
in
don't
and
know
eat.
nothing. Karen don't
Don't
know
tell me
nothing.
something don't know
Karen,
nothing, Dan.
Oh, you
they
know
just
she
a
don't know
talk
nothing,
what
Dan.
she hear.
Me
Oh, you
don't
mean
tell me
Karen
something
a
don't
talk
know
what she
nothing.
hear.
Me don't
Karen
know
the
about
people
the
Karen a
murder
fuck
because me
Man,
not
but
plot
I
to
will
everything
kill
tell
done
them
people.
done
something
done
But the
done.
there,
story
I'm
come
not deal with
out.
them kind of life, you know.
Because there was somebody when that collect money at Jamaica for kill Puss, but a choppy man in that choppy line. So you don't tell
Hold
me
on, man.
nothing.
Karen, you don't know
All right,
nothing, man.
All
You know,
right,
you have
Dan,
to
me
all right.
tell us
don't
that
know
when
nothing.
Fred them come and ball out to Puss. At them time, the me, Paulette, Essence, I'm Mary know about what's going on. Relax, star. You don't know nothing about
But
this,
but that
man.
is another Dan. Hold up, Dan. That was a different. That was even a different murder setup again. Because the first murder setup is when Erica first come out. Can we go back to basic now? The first murder squad come out is when Erica they come out first and balls out. That time when Joan and everybody in that with Chin in that one.
And
That was the
all right.
first
And she
one.
come out, come talk.
That was the first one. That one that with Tanya with my picture and them video me a town and the man say they go kill me, but him sit telling me this is a different one.
Post. You see that man same sitting at you. Me hear you say, but me don't know nothing about that.
So them
You
said Tanya,
understand?
them see the man
Let
say
me tell
when
you
they go back to
something.
the man and say but I never
Post.
heard. Oh, I tell the
Straight
woman
up talk with
missing.
me. Post straight up talk with me, I tell you. You see, Essence, Paulette, me, and CallN, and Marie,
Yeah,
we don't know nothing about this blood clot killing thing. You understand? And we Fred
yeah,
them ball out, we are gopher. And after Fred them
yeah,
ball it out, you understand? And Marie go over there, go drop off the computer and dig Tanya and dig off where we are tell you after
yeah.
her and we know. You understand? It's what Karlene I tell you. I went to a ball and I said, whoa, Karlene, like where your husband come from Rockford. Him can't get nobody for me. Me repay any money. She have the idea, but she don't have no fucking money. You understand? Fred them pay one little chum change. That can't kill nobody. All you hear them a talk about Jamaica people want $100.
Them a complain to my black people.
We
You know
not
for
all
black
you hear them
people,
a
you know.
complain say Jamaica people will take $100 for kill people and $20. Fucking lie. Ain't nothing going like that.
Yeah,
Ain't no fucking shit going down like that. Tanya had the
true.
idea, but she not have the money. She didn't get her money. I don't remember if it's her stolen loan or something like that. And three boy near out it blood clot. It's when she sent
And
five.
that Karen said today.
Yeah, it's when she sent £500. Raleigh know about this blood clot, yeah. Because Raleigh said, Tanya, you're going to make the boy take away the whole of the liquor money where you have. Where you not stop
We
them
are
things
say.
there. That's how
I
when the
didn't know
blood
that.
clot, sure, and when me can tell you something know about. The boy
Yeah,
rent a car and the boy head to Mobile. When the boy they done a Mobile, the boy trick her and tell her, say, Era, we know we push it on a country. Yeah, you have to send a little more money right there. So, boom, she goes a boom and send what? Another $1,000 go give the boy. You understand? The boy call her about the Sunday and say, blood clot, the gas done. And the dog them there with me want food. And she said 3
Bumbo
beers.
clock.
And when she said the 3 beers, this is how me I tell you when me know personally now. This is how me know
Yeah.
personally. This is not here say I come from Suki, nor none of them. This is how Tanya attack with me now. You understand?
Yeah.
I me swear for my children their life. Me swear for my last grand blood in my family life. Me not tell no
Yeah.
lie and cheat. When me I listen to her, she say, Auntie, with the blood clot with them boy, them man. Me give them over 700 pounds already, and the boy still want more money. Rolling turned to
Yes,
her and
sir.
said to her, say, Tanya, you know, say the boy them a take you for idiot. She blaze up and she say, Auntie, don't move, don't move. She say, hey, blood clot boy, me not pay another dollar for the car. How will the pussy clot do you? Don't call back this number. Me say, how will the blood clot this I want? This I know what Suki tell me, Marie tell me, nobody tell me. Me I tell you this with swearing for my life and the blood clot grab
But
thing.
Dan,
Me
when
turn
you
to
hear,
her
when
and me
you
say
hear
to her,
that now, yeah.
hold on, man. Me turn to her and me say to her, say, Tanya, we have spent up all of them
And who
money
are talking in the background?
Oh, me tell her, my
Turn off
TV,
your
sorry.
me say,
Oh, mute
Tanya,
it, yeah.
listen, we have spent up all of them money they far. You know, see the boy them a take you for fool and you not have money like that. And she say, true, and she true. And she call the boy and she class up the boy. Puss, Tanya have the idea. She never have the money. Only money with Tanya let off out her pocket in a this killing. And this way me I tell you. I'm sure of it, and why do I sure of it? She bring the attention to me. And I ask her the same thing when Rolling asked her. Tanya, we you spend up the money for money for. You know, see the boy them a take you for idiot. You understand when that will fret them ball out to you. That are between she fret them, that are between fret them, Tanya and Suki. We learn about it after Marika the computer go drop over there. Next thing with Chin and the killing. A big thing that I go on right there. So and Chin, you say your boyfriend there. You must come out and speak truth. Stop run away from the truth. The truth about Chin want to kill you and get in contact with Cheese is you did say something pertaining to our children them. And she have somebody will live close to you where our children and family and she call the girl. You understand? And when she call the girl, I couldn't tell you what happened after that. But Chin, stop run away from things because you're saying that you want everything. You understand? For stop. Everybody did say this. Everybody did say that. You understand? Post, let me tell you this again. You see when me did reach a blood clot Jamaica, and you go there down there, and you head to the priest and say, Tanya saying, one woman named Dan. You did do that? Forget gunman for kill you. Come up with the truth, you know. Don't lie, you know.
No, man, when they're at Jamaica, when we got the police station, of course, we got police station to report you.
All right, yeah, then I tell you, truth people for talk, tell blood clot lie. You see when time she report you, you see the call with blood clot, make her say Post. Me a come down at your yard tonight. At the Batty boy, Tino. You hear me I tell you? Batty boy, Tino never come at your yard.
Remember the Spanish the car, me did it on live, so I'm not like that.
Me I tell, that's why I tell us them girl, you can't chat to me, no, me really know me a gangster, you know. Me don't want to girl or a boy takes me, I tell you, say, me a gangster car, man, fuck me, suck me, what have you, me not deal with them kind of life there. And the batty boy when named Tino did blood clot call you. Because guess what happened? We did go and frighten you and blood clot you go. There's no killing for Tino kill nobody or anything.
When say, and then him send me over the mother.
Hold on, Puss, I can't stay long for another. But what I mean by Dan, hold on, what I mean by Chin come out here from the truth? I don't hold on, no, not fuck my against me, ever pick for me.
Nobody not going to pay Chin more than my blood clot after last night. Oh, the $1,000 blood clot.
Hold on, I'm not have to answer them the $1,000. Dan, I don't have to answer about no $1,000, Dan. Listen to this. Hold on a minute, Puss.
Me have more love for you and respect for you. And we
Dan,
have
I'm not have to answer about no $1,000, Dan.
why you can't come up and talk? It never comes up in.
Yeah.
Why you back up?
Dan, calm down.
That not look good.
Right?
That not look good to me.
When the killing they come out, right? Me never they come talk about what with the killing.
We don't talk about the killing now. Me I talk about you. Me I talk to you. We jump off of my life. Like, hey, Chin, you upset last night, you know. But me just
What you mean by upset, Dan?
Oh, you mean them
Dan, calm down. Dan, you Chin,
Dan, me have to answer my question, me a big man. That's all me say.
Oh, you mean
Dan, just calm down.
That means you're not real with me. You not really blood clot me. Cause after you go come out and say you lend me $10,000 for do breast and then now everything will come out. Cause we want done this blood clot here for 2023. You no mention and nothing else not happen. And you not want to talk the truth. All that go post talk.
Wanna done it, man. Wanna done
Post,
it, man.
I'm telling you something. Don't talk fuckery this man in a post. Post,
Wanna done it, man. Wanna just.
something simple, post. Me I ask you something simple. Cause me I defend you right now with this killing and all of this fuckery with Tanya attack. And me I ask you something simple and you said done it.
Yeah.
Post, me I ask you.
No, but no, me I say no because you're cheap.
Me I ask you this, post. One of this me I ask you, not two of this. We say we have done this. We say we have put this to blood clot risk car rotten through Tanya going with a bag of thing. And me I go ask you now, Chin.
Yeah.
As a little girl, I mean respect me, could I be your mother? Say Chin. What if I foolishness they talk? And we trace one another, we do some wrong thing with the kids them. But you know, only one question me I ask. Me and you did in any money contracts and just $1,000 for do breast. I should come off of the line. Should not be real with me. Yes, I know.
I'm done. So yeah, listen. Chin could have answered if yes or no. Answer it yes or no. Then the Dan me give you or Dan me not give you.
Me not answer my question. Me not have to answer the question, Puss.
No, we said
that was the conversation we come on the live board last night.
Yes, it's
and we can't be talk loud. Listen to the Puss.
Respect for one another. And the loyalty we are going to. First of all, what really happened. I was just be a bagger and cuss. But when
I don't have to answer nothing. Me not want to go back in that me talk about the murder. Nobody can bully me.
But listen,
Puss, when the murder come out, right?
Everything we are go back in. Puss,
me never agree about the murder when the murder come out.
Puss, you see me? Let me tell you something.
Me not have to answer
Puss, let me tell you about me. Me not afraid to kill a girl or a boy in front of the police station. Me not afraid to pluck out a boy or a girl. Because me know say me I got blood clot prison. And me I go do me blood clot time. And me done grow me blood clot children. Hey,
me can't believe say Chin and Dan go back down the same road.
Me don't know why you not go back down the road.
Clot prison. I murder you in the blood clot station. And me know say me I got dead after. Me not want a blood clot girl garnish my bumper clot name. And when tell truth blood clot type come, you go say no need for answer. Watch you no go away. When me a bumper clot tell you now, you no go away. Me no want to hear nothing about no blood clot killing. Me no want to hear nothing Puss. Me not violate you. And me not disrespect you. But why she couldn't answer blood clot that? You leave that.
Yes, she could have answered, but if she said,
me not want to answer.
She could have answered, but if she feel not to answer, she just don't want to answer. Just like go.
Tell truth. Why you can't talk the truth? Me and you not talk about no money, no farmer blood clot money. What me and you talk about, it was for you to use my blood clot credit card. I'm not violate you upon that. You understand how we talk intelligent upon that. My all you say, Tanya, or you, someone that uno, pay a cable bill for my house. Me can have a big cocky man in my blood clot house. When cocky stiff and I rub on my blood clot night time, and girl pay me cable. How the bomber clot do no man? When you come up with the truth and talk the truth, if you not talk the truth, no man, and let go the whole of the violation and the disrespects, no? Oh, not go on like so, not me have mad respect for you because you respect me. You understand? I mean, I'm your friend to the end like blood clot, okay? But so them bomber clot, girl, that's why them can't take bomber clot Karlene, you know? That's why them can't take Karlene. And I bully me, I bully down in the Karlene. I love you like that, Karlene. I mean, I want nothing to come out of your mouth, you know? Where them are going to turn around and use it and lock you up, you know? Come here for the 110%. Me are they like booby right behind you. Me are they like any one of your blood clot children them behind you. Because guess what? You're real to me. So I'm more than blood clot real back to you. You're real to me more than my own blood clot family them. If you're dead, me dead too. If you got prison, me go there with you to Karlene. How the bomber clot do some girl on internet, man. Or two people can't find you, you know. Or two people now look phony, you know. Or that me I tell you, you know. Hey, Puss, John, women not even like what go on, you know, star.
Oh, Jesus. This just. Like me say.
Every minute Mr. Diary come with some fuck foolishness. Every minute you egg on people from my bomber clot. Hey Diary, Diary, me no want to talk with them from my mind, you know. Diary, me no want to talk with them. Come I want to go to prison for my mouth, you know. I want to go to prison for my action if me I go to prison, you know. You know, that me I tell you, you know. Our bomber clot Foley. Me a Foley I have nothing. The only thing me said to Foley is really, you know. Me no cuss him, me no disrespect him, me no say nothing, you know. When him put on Derry on the live, I cuss my father, I mean, you know. I know me have Derry, no have nothing, you know. I see him Karlene have a jump off, you know. When me there Jamaica, my friend and a girl have a jump off, me no say nothing, you know. Me stand out in the crowd, you know. Cause when the fight start, I just me in a it, you know. The woman cuss me more than she cuss Karlene that day, they pan Foley live, you know. I mean, they are work, you know. Me no say nothing to Derry, you know. Me no say nothing disrespectful to Foley, you know. Foley a true native, no. And go one word me have for you, know, pussy. I true a foreign with blood clot there. Pussy, if me never they a foreign bomber hole. Me I tell you, say a different kettle bowl blow for your pussy hole. Hey, me tell you something, you know. Me grew up with some Tel Aviv, you know. My baby father, they blood clot, bro me. We not take pussy.
Sabrina, come suck me.
You
Sabrina, but come over here.
you violate me last night. You violate me last night, chin. Can we come to the truth?
I'm going to have to answer now. I'm 38 years and I'll come out for the life. I can see whatever come out.
Be your mother, chin. You understand? I broke it down to this in a pussy boy. Puss, we said some bad things about each other and the kids them. Them even disrespect my husband when I talk to people. The only somebody per life with Sucky ever talk to a Puss. Never talk to Tanya Suki, none of them yet. Only somebody stuck ever talk pan IG. You understand how when we start the bag of pussy thing, as female, the man take away himself. Only thing them can see the man I do a pass. I'm so stuck with the street they did them and he may tell me. And the man get enough violation. And some batty boy, make me tell you something, man. America want safe place for no. And that me a blood clot tell you no. You see, America want safe place for no blood clot. So no just continue jump the blood clot bada. Karlene, just time my friend love you like that, you know, if you go to prison, go there so too, you know. If a girl go lock you up and turn evidence, you know. She can't turn evidence if media road. And the two we have to go in at that. And that me I tell you. Case your evidence from bomber clot, you are outer road. I mean outer road. No evidence, no blood clot there. And that me I tell you. I mean I tell you, my friend, me I tell you, if you see me I get in that trouble, don't come in that trouble with me. Pull me back. Come in head hot. Hot no blood clot. You understand? Right, and I'm going to think for my children them. And my grandkids them when I know me I think of. You understand them girl like some pussy over here, so you know. Hey Diary, me tell you so enough time you violate me simply, you know, Diary. I'm gonna take it from you, you know. You understand me? Say, none of proper come violate me and tell me, suck your mother. Me not take them things from people, you know. Me not take them things from people, you know. But if you go anger management, blood clot class, you understand me close. All you hear them talk about me there on probation. Me not there on no blood clot probation in a post. Me do 6 months anger management, blood clot class, you know. Because when they stand up in an anger management class.
What you say about Derry?
I nothing Derry violate me on star. I mean, I no problem.
What do you mean by violate? Your Derry read a platform. Derry say what she have to say.
Girl, you talk about one a platform. Here when me I say when she violate me. You see me there, me work, me no traveler, and the girl start cuss me. When you run a platform, you do like what King Mix Up them do. You don't come out and just start cuss people when you travel your star.
No, but your Derry go back and forth. Come remember when you slow
That's been done and gone.
And you that all Derry. You trouble like two done. You provoke Derry too.
When I say all of them they done and gone. So why something done and gone now and you're done with it and it gone already? Are you going to pick it up back so there's somebody not cover you?
But you can't tell her how to act down or how to respond or when to.
What act mean? What act mean?
Okay, so when you did all in the nail shop and about that, you're a big woman fair than.
Hey girl, who you this attack to me? Hold on.
What you mean who this attack to you? Karlene attack to you. I'm not afraid.
All right, hold on, Karlene, let me tell you this.
I'm not tell you this.
Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this, Karlene.
Nobody knows that you done with your 19.
Girl, you say too much fun things when you don't know.
Karlene, listen.
Karlene, you talk to blood clot, man. Hey, girl, shut your blood clot, man. Karlene, to see the blood clot truth. Hey, girl, listen. Hey, girl, shut your blood clot mouth and listen. When me there, I dare you call me blood clot phone. Constantly.
call
A
her?
diarrhea call me. Me did a blood clot call her. Me slung na the nail shop I do my blood
You
clot nail.
always about
I saw
that
the nail
too.
shop, hey girl, go suck your mother. Where?
Move on, go down. Come tell people
Move
me
your
shut
blood
my man
clot. Me no
already
take
down.
chat.
You need
Hey
to
girl, you
stop
know
it. Me
some
not
shit
argue with
out,
you
you know.
down. You're too
Hey,
bad. You don't
dirty
like say
old
everybody's
blood
afraid of
clot
you.
girl.
Dan,
We
nobody
fuck
not
out the
afraid
whole
of
of
you,
the
Dan.
blood
You need to
clot
stop it.
army.
You're a
Hey,
big man. Every
stinking
day
girl,
you
you're
come here
talking
talk
for
about
your
gangster,
blood
Dan.
clot. No.
Dan,
Hey
stop it.
girl,
You're a
you
big
know,
man.
leave your blood
Hallelujah, the
clot, you
blood of
conscious to
Jesus.
me, you know.
Stop it,
Dirty
Dan.
old girl, I
Calm
got me, I
down,
tell
calm
you, you
down,
know.
calm
Dan, you
down.
need
Me
to
kill
stop.
the
Nobody
blood
no
Calm.
clot
afraid of
all
you.
in
You
front
big
of
old
police, you know.
lipstick
Go
friend named
suck your
Karlene. When
mother.
I always a
Come
try
off
by the
a blood
people.
clot.
Stop it now.
You know
Nobody no
some bag
afraid of
of
you,
blood
Dan.
Yo,
clot,
you
man.
guys calm
I want
down,
the
calm
blood
down,
clot.
calm
Puss
down.
get them idiot
Calm
country
on.
girl,
No,
yeah.
and you are
I
idiot
want
because
Puss
you
get
did a
them
plan to
blood
kill
clot
Puss.
girl,
I
yeah.
And
tried.
When
you
I
did
know
a plan
nothing
to
about
kill
blood
Puss,
clot
Dan.
gangsters.
And that's why
Hey,
Derry
dirty
come out and
stinking
talk.
old man
Let me
blood
talk
clot
now.
pussy
So
girl
Derry
correct.
mother,
Move
Derry
your
talk
blood
say,
clot and
Puss
way.
I would
Yeah,
over
yeah, me
here because you
put
did
it
a
on
try to
your
kill
reason with
Puss.
me.
And I'm
Me
not
and you
mother
are super
Derry.
blood
I'm
clot
not mother
gangster.
Derry. So
Chat
I'm not
together.
trying to
You
talk
know
about
go to
because
them
you did a
idiot
try to
blood
kill
clot
Puss,
country
Dan.
girl, yeah. Come put pan life with me. Pussy girl. You tell
Ah,
about
you don't
swallow
like
me
what me
in a
I say
nail
come
shop.
dip up under me and come
After
fly
all
through
that
me.
blood
And that's
clot
why
go.
Dan
A
and that's
diarrhea
why
call
Derry
me
don't
down,
like
call
Dan
me
because
down.
Dan did a plan to
100
kill
times the
Puss.
blood clot call
Move
me.
and go
You
down.
talk about
Nobody
me a
no
fucking
afraid of you.
hey stinking old girl. Come on for this
Dan
and go
and you
fuck your
old
mother.
stinker. You have sex before me, man, cause you older than me. You're 50 at Dan. Me not even that so yet. You did a talk about, and that's why Derry don't like it because you itch up over here talk about puss. And the one on did that try to kill Puss, and Derry does not like it. I listen to the live them when Derry put out. So that's why Puss, Derry said, one time you did come and I give out information about Tanya, after you give it out, you should move. Puss should entertain you because you need to try to kill Puss. And that is what Derry is upset about. So move and go down. I'm not scared of you, Don. I'm
This
not.
just a
And you're not
this
going to
just
come
a
over here come call up Derry name because
this
it's
just a
you
go come out
and you
this just a
make
go
Derry
out
talk
on
up the things them
from
because
one
Definitely.
of you
from
and
one
the instigator. You see him done. I'm not afraid of you, Don. And your blue lipstick friend, Karlene. When it's two old woman, when you should have snow at the front of the church with two big hats and a fan the pastor.
all
When
right,
you reach the
all
elder
right,
stage, stop it, Don. Nobody not afraid of you
All
now.
right, come on.
all
Everybody
right,
have
calm
to
down
get
now,
old. From
Karen.
you not dead, you gotta get old. So that's okay. Not no
Yeah.
age. Yeah, so we
Age is
all
an
have to
honor.
get old.
I'm
Don't
not
know,
Yeah,
saying
it's
that
a
Karen.
being old is
blessing.
a bad thing. See that I'm just saying that when you reach a certain stage in life, there are certain things that you do. That's what
Yeah,
I'm
which
Yeah,
saying.
but
I do agree with that. But then if people are bothering you, like, and it doesn't matter
Madonna.
what age you are, and you have to defend
Yeah.
yourself. Like, you get me? So you have to defend yourself. It doesn't matter what age you are. So you could have been
Yeah,
like, oh, it's just human. You're going.
age
It's a
just
self
number
of,
any.
yeah.
Age
And
number.
to get to an old age,
Well,
that's a
as
blessing.
me say,
But
Karen,
yeah,
it no need you and Dan to argue.
yeah.
Cause me no know not argue fight don't make no sense for me. Everybody tackle for them own truth
I
and them
just
own
felt like
talk.
you
But
guys should just let her
how
express
this?
herself. You see how she got mad?
How
I
name
felt
this?
like she held on to a
CP.
lot of stuff.
How
I never
this?
saw her get mad like that before.
Let me see
Like,
how
I don't
this.
even know her like that. But the times I
Yeah,
watch her,
Karen,
I never see
sometimes,
her
yeah,
get
you
mad.
could
Just
just
let her
listen.
vent. Yeah, just let her
I
vent.
was
Just let her
listening, but she
talk.
come out blazing and come time and say me attack women no know. I'm married in the on the live and say when something they borrow our money for rent for pay the
Yeah,
guy
but
rent money. Me
Karen,
no. So don't say I tell me say me
me no
don't
know,
know.
Karen,
Me don't know.
you should have just let her talk. Just let
No,
her
yeah,
me
she
can't
just let
express her
talk.
her talk,
feelings.
Dana
Karen.
talk all the time. Me
Yeah.
can't talk. Me can't answer.
No, but you
Yeah,
could have
I
wait till she
know.
done talk
But
and
right
talk,
now
Karen.
she's at the point where she's saying she wants
Dan
Yeah,
is the
she just
everything
let she
to
done
question.
be
talk and then
on
you
the
When
talk.
last
table.
time did
Right
I
now,
go to church? The
She
person
wants
where you go come
everything
up
out on the
your
table.
phone,
She doesn't
you
want to
talk
go into the
about.
new year with this. It's basically what she's trying to say. So she's
Karen, you
trying to
just
get everything
she allow me the woman,
out
make the
one
woman talk
time.
and
Yeah,
finish her
everything out
train at
one
talk.
time. She doesn't want to keep doing it. Like, you could tell, like,
Yeah,
she
she just
got
allow her
mad.
make she talk.
Just, it doesn't matter. Just let her vent.
Me a vent to me listen to her the whole time and she come jump up on me
Karen.
come tell me about me talk to her. She cannot tell me that. She too bad. Every
No,
day
but
she
Karen,
fight
you,
the
you
man.
have to
She
leave
need
people
to
make them
stop it.
talk. Karen shall leave her make she talk because she take her for her train at talk. And I like say she call
It's her
your
truth.
name.
Yeah, it's her truth. Just let her express her
It's her truth. Leave
her
her to
truth.
talk her
Yeah, that's
truth.
all. That's yeah, basically. Like no, don't say no. I didn't even say nothing. Cause just let her express herself. She's at a point where
Yeah.
she wants to express herself and she's mad. You could tell. Like just let her. She wants
Well, she needs
everything
to
out
stop
on the
mad because of
table.
2022 now, and we are going at 2023, and she's a
Yeah,
big
less than
lady,
2
just celebrate
weeks.
54. She needs to stop being so mad. Nobody is mad. This is social media. That's why they were
Yeah, but
planning
I
to kill
guess like
Puss.
she's
And
tired
then when
of
you
it.
talk,
Like
Karen,
and
you
they
have a right
don't
to
want,
be
well, they're
tired.
gonna listen to you, but as whenever you
Karen,
talk, they like to want to bully you. Don't do that.
Karen,
What?
you sound like the bully there, so. How old are you? You love talk about people old. How
Lady, me
old
not
are
know
you?
ya who and where you come from. Me not don't
Age
ask
is
me
an
that question,
honor.
lady, before me spit
Age
in your
is an
ear.
honor.
Don't
I
start
want
with
me
me
here
today.
disrespect old people, old people. Me not old like you. I'm not old, but me respect people for
Lady,
years.
don't come for me
Respect when
today.
people
Don't
attack.
start with
Who
me
are
today.
you to always a butt up on people and not jump up on people? You a
Lady, don't
judge?
start with me
Who
today. When
are
people
you?
talk truth and
Come
I
on,
don't
who
like
are
it.
you?
I
Answer
said
the
what I said.
question.
Who are
Who
you?
the fuck
Who
are
is
you?
you?
Just
Yes,
sit down
who?
and listen, cause
Yeah,
you're
who?
having a right. Just listen.
Who are
Your
you? Yeah,
bumper blood
who?
clot. Just sit
When
down
people
and
talk
listen.
and I don't
You
like it,
come
you're
like you love
lucky.
problem. Cause
So
all me
suck
area talk.
it.
Me area take up for diary. Me love diary. Me love the whole land. But all who are me area, you just a jump and down, a dump and dance. So. Come on, man.
Drunk on
Yeah,
you
Karen,
ever hear
that's how
that
it
jump on that?
sounds.
You ever hear that? I like you come here with your lines
All
on
who
the
are
blood
me
of
area,
Jesus
all
against
who
you.
are me
I
area,
never jump
Bigfoot
on no
Karen.
blood clot
All who
dog,
are
dirty
me blood
woman.
clot area. And you
Come
just
suck
jump
me
on people,
drunk,
jump on
come
people like,
suck
who
me.
the fuck
You
is
never
you?
hear me jump
Who
on the
the
blood
fuck is
clot
you?
dog. Dance to move on yourself with that gangster self. At 54
We're
years
not
old, she don't
talking
need to be
about gangster
gangster.
down
She
now.
need to be
You
an
just
elder
dump
in
on
the
the
church,
woman, dump
lady
on the
bye.
split
You
justice
look,
if you come for split justice. Split blood clot just never come for split justice. Come on, girl.
True. True.
You jump
Justice
on
is
one blood
all
justice,
right,
clot
I
Karen.
and
mean, I
split
saw
the
And
you
that's
might
justice.
true,
come, you
What
Karen.
the fuck,
lucky.
man? What
Me
the
saw
fuck,
me, I
Mia?
saw me say it again. Go and go talk to that low me
Me
lady.
not talk to nobody. Me not no
Nobody
friend.
no
Me not
friend
keep
of
blood
none of you.
clot
Me no
friend.
friend of
From
neither
work to my
you,
house, but
not
when me hear
John,
fuck, you
not
talk, me have to
Karlene with
come
a
up.
strong
Can you
boy.
chat
Oh
shit?
no lucky, I will
What the
I need a
fuck?
plan to kill Puss. It will I need a plan to kill Puss. Move on
Yeah,
yourself.
we know that.
When
We know
people
Me
are
not
that,
talk
talking,
about
no
Karen.
killing me.
like
Yeah,
Talk
you.
but
about
Let
yeah.
her
I
the
like ta ta
express
ta ta
2023
ta
her
ta
and
ta
things
ta
that
truth.
ta
don't
ta
give
Nobody
a
not
ta
fuck.
ta
We
deny
Stop
ta
know
being
that.
with it
that.
ta.
We
now.
Me no
know
friend
that.
of
Stop
none
being
of
with
you
it
no.
tomorrow.
That's evident. We know that. That's out there. We know that.
Yeah,
And
nobody
all of
not
them.
deny that.
But let her express how she feels. Let
She
her
The fuck,
talk
feel,
man.
yeah.
her truth.
It's
Nobody's
true,
giving her a
Karen.
time. You could tell she's mad.
This a
It's
lady
cool
come
that
run
you
up and
want to
come chat.
defend your friend
And
and
I'm
everything.
talking too
But
from Dan come. I did not say
yes,
nothing.
yeah, I know, but you should have let her finish. It turned into something different. Let her express
Yeah.
herself. Let her talk. Just let her talk. Just like if you had the floor, you want to talk and express yourself. Like lots of times, Post lets you just express yourself. Just let her talk. She wants to express her side, her
See,
truth.
some here you talk about talk. You know, yes, you're calling, come bum rush me. I'm not even say nothing.
No,
Yeah, that
Karlene,
part was
Karlene, but
wrong.
rush, but me take
Yeah,
down
that was
Karlene and say
wrong.
no.
Yeah, she
And
was
she
wrong. I'm not
and
gonna say
Dan
she
tell
was right.
Karlene say she should not make it happen.
Yeah, you were
So
friendship
direct.
there. She said no.
When
You
you
guys
reach the
were
place where me didn't
reasoning.
have to answer. Me didn't have to listen and answer. Me listen for about 5, 10, 15 minutes and then me have to answer.
Just let her express herself. That's all I'm saying. Like I try to
Oh
make the peace where everybody can
Jesus.
be calm and just talk calm and just express herself. Just let her express herself. She wants to
Well,
say
me
her
didn't
side.
express myself to
And
see that.
yeah,
Me
I
never
know,
hear me
but
select on
this
the phone,
looked
listen to her
like
all long.
it was boiled up anger. So it looked like she had it for a long time. And now was the time that she wanted to just give it all. That's why she said to Chin,
My girl look all
everything
long
on
that.
the
Look how much
table.
life God
She
press split
didn't want to
yesterday and
not
attack.
leave
How much
nothing.
anger she want
She wants
after.
all the food and she want to eat it now.
Well, me
So
didn't have to
meaning
say
in,
something at that point. At that
No,
point, I
Karen,
have
you
to
know,
say
Karen,
something.
Karen, Karen, you never need to say nothing at all. Because wait till she finish, then you say your
Well,
train at
she did
all.
finish.
Because you
She
don't
did
push.
finish because
This
she
is
did
like
attack
pushing fire to
and she did
fuel it.
finish post. She did attack
No,
and
she
she did
never
finish.
finish.
I
You
didn't
stop
have to
her.
say something.
Well,
Because you
fair
hear her
enough.
come and attack and I never said anything. At that point, me didn't
No,
have to say
no.
something.
No, nothing wrong with what you said, Karen, but boy, I mean, I know. Well, you must
Puss,
understand, say,
Puss,
Karen,
you was
sometimes
there
you only
talking
put
a
fire.
long time
You
and I
only
had
put
to
fire.
answer.
Remember, we are say, remember, I see him like with Chi and Chin, and me I say, calm down with Chi and Chin, she say it go out, and Chin step down. But you don't make no sense to see somebody under anger. You have nothing to lose. Remember, this argument now have nothing to do with you. So so
Exactly.
you supposed to be the most calmest one.
Kind of.
Because you're not in the argument, so you're supposed to be the most calmest person.
And just
So when you see
listen.
them build up that anger, and make them build up them anger. You just sit
And
back
it's
like what
yeah, and then
and
let her
just
express
yeah. You
herself.
understand?
Yeah.
That's what I think. But as I said, you gotta talk because that is you. If you see somebody attack over who you like, and that's how you is. So we can't stop that. But I think
Puss, me
you
just
could
want to
just
say
zip
this.
your mouth.
Since you add me, I want to say this. People do things in a life when them angry and stuff like that. We not Puss nah say Dawn them never do nothing to her. Dawn nah say she never try to do nothing to her. But if Puss, if you decide to forgive, and if them decide say admit and ask you for forgiveness and not forgive on one another, that is nobody else's business.
Just
Because
you,
And
God
I
them,
said
and
come for
God.
decide to leave it
forgiveness.
to God. I
Yeah.
don't want to make it every minute when they have problem with this with Don them.
Jesus.
Let me tell you what they're doing. They don't have a problem, when time them and the person are war, and them but when them once them and the person turn enemy, they bring it
Then
back to
bring it up
Puss
back.
and Puss and down them and that. As we say, get over it. Move the fuck on because I moved on.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sleep in mental slavery and live in mental slavery because everything will rise up against me, them have to fall. And I
And not
leave it at
only
the
that, the
table.
woman is admitting it. It's not like the woman now admit and we want her admit.
What she
She
was saying.
admit
I leave
and
it
she
at the
just
table.
yeah,
If
that's
I
it.
choose to forgive somebody, it's me. That make me have peace. Because I'm
Exactly.
telling you, I'm not gonna have up nobody for it to give. And the reason why I choose a lot of time to forgive, because I want to have peace
Thank you,
within
Jesus.
me.
That's it right there, some sister.
Within me. Because for
What's
me to
life
have
on
a
earth without
person,
peace?
every time I see them, I go irritate. Every time I see them, I go get me upset and I'm gonna get me at the angle. But I don't want
I
to
run up
do
your
that.
pressure on them thing now you have your picnic them or your grand picnic
I
them
don't
to look
have
for.
time for that. I have no time to be petty. I have no time for that. So me forgive and me move on and God and me knows everything will rise up on me. Me know on the day of judgment going to come. It's not me gonna judge on himself. All vengeance to
Ah,
him.
I
So
God
I
to
leave it on the
judge.
table. So I don't see
Amen to that.
when time it come back now to Uno and the people in the argument when come back and bring it down to Puss. Get Puss out of it. Puss move on, forgive them and me gone. Deal with what Uno I deal with and stop using me as skateboard. Because all me
Ah.
soon doing is using me as a skateboard for when it please Uno.
Mm-hmm.
When it please Uno, that's when Puss come involved and them want to kill Puss. All of Uno I did a weird and all of Uno didn't know that they want to kill me and the whole Uno was friend. Everybody was
Mm-hmm.
happy friendship.
And you forgive everybody. So it's just like
I'm keep
somebody
forgive
said,
everyone.
exactly.
All who set it up and who me forgive and I move on and I'm gone. But don't think I forget to know. I don't forget to know. I'm just drinking my coffee as calm and slow as possible because I don't want it
Mm-hmm.
burn me.
Exactly. So if you choose to make peace and you and the people that make peace, leave it
And I'm not the
alone.
type of person, Cash Queen. I'm not gonna talk to you
Jesus.
when I have you up. I'm not gonna deal
Exactly.
with you. I know that I have you home, husband.
It's not their
Yeah,
business.
yeah, baby.
That's the point. It's not your business. And that is why a lot of
Hello,
people on the internet are create more war because when the thing are gonna
Wagwan.
die down, somebody else take up the candle and pick it up. If the woman say
Yes, it
peace
is.
and she forgive, leave it alone. It's
No
not
vex.
like said the woman said she denying the thing. She admitted so much time since me figure out what go on. Me hear the woman say it out her mouth. And she still turn around and say, you know what, Puss me wrong, but me rate you, I respect you. I even remember down the other day upon the live Puss, and I tell you why she did feel the way she feel, why she did do what she do. At least she can explain that. No, leave it alone. Me not say she perfect. Me not say she right about nothing else. But when it come to that, leave it, people, leave it. Because if somebody really did try to kill this woman for real, we are the people supposed to just simmer down the thing so that this don't recur again. Make we just create peace when it come to life, man. Jesus, God, passa one thing, baga one thing, but
And then,
real
then,
life
then, then
is
the
real
problem
life.
is, me don't understand, Guess what me not
Ah.
understand? Everybody did not try to kill me, but they must, because they are friends with some of the people. They are suiting some of them, and the one that they
Mm,
are not friending, they are pushing under the bus. If we not do justice, man, make we do justice now. If we are do
exactly.
righteousness, make we do righteousness now. Make we beat everybody we are doing the negative.
Exactly.
Why, it's all right then. Tanya the one of the mastermind for it. But you don't have Tanya pound alive. I don't have Tanya laugh up, kick But when me I talk to Don, it's a problem. Me already forgive everybody and move on. I mean, I have nothing against nobody. Make them go on about them business. That is what God made me. I have peace. And I have no time to be petty. Please. We're not going to introduce to the new me.
They
We
don't
need
have
to
no
introduce
peace.
to the new me because I don't give a fuck where only the one who wants to become me know that me have peace. And me have joy, and me have grace, and me have favor. I'm blessed. So God just give me 2 twin. I have another 2 twin I come. I'm good.
Nice.
I'm like the bitch blessed over here. Like the bitch is
Exactly.
blessed.
Leave it alone. Like the woman say, when things die
I put on the rice.
on the platform, leave
My
it
head hurt me.
else about. Just give
I don't
people
think I got road.
peace.
Eh?
Jesus Christ, me never see a set of cantankerous people in my life. No, sir. Oh my God, whether we like each other or not, we just all can agree that God say, give it, forgive, so that we can have inner peace and He will do the judgment.
Yeah,
So,
because I don't understand. If not, well, listen, it don't make sense. Because the other person not talking, want to fight down upon them what them they do and them do this and them do that. But you have up the culprit, you have up the mastermind. The person will create all of this animosity. You have them up because you are doing a show, you running a show. Like how we do the maths now.
yeah, but this is people life. I so shut up. I can't about that Sunday morning. You know, I'm gonna shut up.
Come on, man. You not fear, man, and then you expect say. And I thank God that I am who I am, you know. And I thank God that anything I believe in, I'm going to do it.
A true beauty is crazy. This is people life. If you not said to people that really did want to kill women in their real life, this is not a fucking show.
And that's how they do.
Say
This, I see them do it a lot of
it's
time.
real life.
Once they're not with you, they want everybody to bring you down, and they want them are gonna set up an army, and they done it to me so many times. It's the only thing that because me's a prayer warrior. The only thing that because I'm a strong black woman.
Yeah.
The only thing that because I know I've been broken, stabbed up, I've been back against the wall so many times till me know how me start fight myself till me know how to fight. So when me see fight I come, me know how to put up my head.
And you're choosing your battles. You tell me this, and right now this no make no sense. I'm just say you take away yourself.
And that's what alright, Cash Queen. Let me tell you, say, and I tell you the truth, you come like say, and you will learn the best, Cash Queen. All of them did a plan to kill me and kill the blood clot batty boy, them own brother. The whole of them did a plan to do it. How much money? So them, when them alright with Dan, it's okay. When them alright with Shutup, it's that okay. Bitch, the whole of them are the same thing, no no difference. The whole of them did a plan to kill me. The whole of them plan and burn down my house.
Planet know, and them know, and them fucking know, and them just need to accept that. Just like how the woman accept and say, yes, Puss, me did XYZ, but here what happened. Maria, to forgive me.
That's right, Jackie.
Simple.
You understand? The whole of them know say it's me that. Not because we choose to forgive, you know, means me forget, you know. But anything going to let me have peace, I'm going to do it.
And God said, my vengeance is, your vengeance is not yours, it's mine. Make God judge. Who is all these people talking about? Oh, this person is upset because the person did try kill. Did try kill you? Under your business. Under you name.
No, it's not sign of your business, but I'm not happy with the other person, the other side that did not try to kill me. If we for sure, so I'm not happy with none of them. So then me now have to look into myself and say, no, me have to do something about it. But when they are T2 and a tattoo and a scars to that, come on, man. Me already tell me and Dan cross the border already. Me and Chin cross the border, and I wish I will never I tried because we are human beings. We say some things and it don't work really, but I gonna make myself make sure I'm not gonna go back there.
You're human, I will make mistakes. Just leave it alone, Jesus God.
Tanya is the one that came up with the
Right
plan
now,
for
them say
true
one new COVID a come
because she want to
from
kill her
China.
brother.
And me a fret
Her
about
brother
that.
disrespect her mother. It's true. Tanya is the one started. Tanya at the root of it. Juan, Erica, the whole of them, the whole of them come up on me like a flood. I'm trying to tell them, I'm saying, come one way. I want to have to fly 10 different fucking way. And that's the truth. We don't want to turn everything down for Dana and Karlene and turn down for Dana and Karlene. What to the culprit? Who caused all of this? Me dig up for the root. What to the culprit? Me not argue with Dan. So it make no sense to keep coming back. I don't know how come. If me want to argue with Dan, I me and not like what Dan say, I me not like what she say, me I tell her to her face, and if me not go argue, me go argue and tell her in her face when me believe her, when me think I me leave it there so. If she want to come on Instagram, that's her business, guys. I'm not gonna fight that battle no more with her. I'm way past that battle. I way past that battle. I way past that battle. Because I see God bless me so much. I'm going to make with a negative signal. Bring this on to another year. Another 2 years. You crazy? It's not going to happen. Grandparents, they're not even like nice. Alright. Yeah, they're not like nice, you know.
Them a baby. They remember said them have peace and God, you know. Them not reap nothing of this world yet. When you look on baby, it's nothing but life, you see, isn't me? So
yeah, I can't bother because for 8 people it take a lot of energy. And it take too much, man. I mean, I don't want to eat nobody at tell me forgive and move on. But don't make believe I forget. Because there's 3 type of people you never forget. They want to put you in the thing and they want to take you out. And they want to cast it. So then the day, it just is what it is. But don't use me as no scapegoat. You know, use me as scapegoat when it please, you know. Oh, the one burn down Puss house. You know what is when it please, you know. If you use me as scapegoat, leave me. They want burn down my house, but they couldn't burn it down. Because I say, no weapon farm. You never said the weapon now go farm, you know. But it now go touch me.
aye. Shall prosper in the name of Jesus.
Remember the first time when I didn't come and burn down my house, you know. And me I said, who could have want burn down my house? And Tanya and Suki just come right up in front of me. And not even an hour later, Suki start to repent. Start to repent by Instagram. I repent. Oh God, me sir, me know me do something wrong and me shouldn't be, but I was bully and I was this and I was that. Confession is good for the soul. But let me tell you something, say, nobody no do me nothing and get away with it. Nobody will plan no evil deed for me and believe say the God in here, the man in him God asleep.
You know what, Post? Me want to say this to you. Somebody just said, think diary like Puss think again. Let me tell you this. Me rather Dan come out and say,
So
Cash
think
Creed,
what?
me hate you.
Think what?
No,
Think what,
no,
Cash Creed?
somebody said, think diary like Puss think again. But me rather my enemy come out in my face and say, me hate you versus the snake them.
Let me tell you something. Like I said, I don't give a fuck who hate me or who like me. But like me said, when it comes to my children and my grandchildren, like I said, I know they loves me. And I know that me are the best thing happen to them. Me are the best everything. I'm just surround me kid. My life, I'm a thing about them.
And that
So
is
me not
it.
give a fuck who love me or who
You just
hate
need to
me.
move on, dog.
Straight up. Don't use my name every minute as a skateboard to make the argument get stronger so everybody can bring down people. Bring them down on their own terms and conditions. Leave me the fuck alone. What I've done already done. You know why I hear about it, bro? Because I tell you something, say there's nothing left unpunished. Everybody are gonna get them beat now. Everybody. I ask me how me know. Because me know God never failed me yet. That's how me know.
Beauty of your lifetime movie, people. And that me say from where they are. Come, me used to watch Lifetime movie, and some of them weird.
Then Tanya, look what Tanya gonna come with now. Oh, me did want to kill. Not even Keiko when me not chat to. Would I even tell a lie for me and say that?
Mm-mm-mm.
I wonder who this. All right, boo. Grandma look water.
Well, pause. Let me say something kind of sick. I'm sick, so I said it real quick. Pause, listen. But then when all of this started, I'm afraid of them because remember when all of this come out, Diary see about who should drop down pan Taddy and say Taddy are wicked and you start up this blah 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 blah. No, we can't believe this Diary and Taddy they are live. Pussy yes,
Mm-hmm.
put pick said so and that says puss back. Yes, it's true that everybody knows said that Diary yet done. Everybody know that for true and I like Danny that tell when Dan say she and Diary they go through it. And then it done for true diaries to go up on live every day. I cost the woman for true. And the lie she's at her she not answer for true. So Dan was not lying. At the end of the day, I'm surprised when I see Diary and Tanya on live because Diary was the one we used to get Tanya you're wicked, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Diary,
That's why when it suit people, as I say, as when it suit people, it's okay. But when it's not in for them ball, it's so no.
yo, me tell you, I'm afraid of them people. I'm
Afraid
can't
of them.
believe Diary and Tanya upon live Diary. Diary, no, Diary. Karen is very being biased because Karen knows the Diary love. Karen knows that she and Diary are friends at the end of the day. Dan did not say anything bad about Diary. Dan just said Diary had texted Pana. Karen now listen to what she said. Karen just say Diary near and Karen have a different. This not nothing to do with Karen. This not no at all to do with Karen. Somebody know Karen reaching an argument here. At the end
No,
of, at the end of the day,
Karen just like Diary, and I saw Karen say, see with me, she not care if Diary wrong or Diary right, and you
remember
can't
said
beat up on fear. Something if she like somebody.
Post me at the end of the day, you're a smart lady. I love me like the fuck you sue them. I do. At the end of the day,
Mm-hmm.
they just bring it up because they want to drag you back in and make you cuss with them.
Yeah.
For entertainment for them.
The whole of them out, but me say me surprised for see Diary and Tanya because I remember never got a deal Diary. They bring on Tanya about the whole killing and look at this now. I'm afraid of them later.
Mm-hmm.